Okay friends, welcome back to our Kreasi Kita channel. In this video, we will try to apply MD5 encryption to Delphi programming. Like the example of the video in front of you. Okay, before we continue, don't forget to download the required components first. You can see in the description of this video. Okay, after downloading the hash file, you just copy md5.pass in the SAM folder as the application we create. Then, we write cache in the use menu. At this point, the components are ready. Now, we design a simple interface like this: provide component edit, button, and memo. Double-click on the button and type the following command. Now, we test by pressing the F9 key. Right freely on edit 1, then press the encrypt with MD5 button. And tada! The result can be seen immediately. Okay, thanks and good luck. Bye-bye.